Well folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ed, this is backroadhero. Today I'm out in my daily driver, Alfa Giulia Quadrifoglio. We're on our way to Unity Alpha, just outside of Oxford in a place called Kidlington. I've had this car for about 2 years now. The odometer reading 31,000 miles, and I bought it with 18 on it, so there you go. The reason for the trip today, if you've been following the car, is the fact that there was a little bit of a knocking noise coming from the rear suspension. Mere mortals and normal people probably wouldn't notice such a thing. I'm just a bit hypersensitive about things, obviously having the race car, the BMW Endurance Racer, the E46 Racer, if you want to look at that channel. So, ordered some drop links the last time the car was in for its big service. If you haven't seen that one, there you go, the big 4-year service, the auxiliary belts, that was done at Unity as well. And they're my go-to place. So thanks very much to Tom and Scott in after sales for looking after me. So when we get to Unity, I'm going to obviously get them to install the drop links. And if you follow my coffee run updates, you'll realize that this car has developed a fault. It has come and gone occasionally over the last few weeks. When I bought the car initially, it had the Service Active Aero. Now, if you don't know, the active aerodynamics on this car are really quite special. It was one of the first saloons to have that technology. And it lowers the front splitter under higher G cornering as and when it's required, and of course to develop the top speeds it needs to retract that, certainly at super high speeds. It's a very clever device and completely unnecessary, should I say, for a road going car. Anyway, it's fitted. It's a bit of hassle because there are 2 actuators, each one of those costs £700. Now, I got the fault to go away by returning the car to the selling dealer, and they did a recalibration. Now, that obviously just resets the actuators, and it went away for about 18 months. Now, the Alpha has got no servicing mode for that. You cannot drop the front splitter to clean it generally. What you can do is undo the 2 13mm bolts at the bottom of the actuators and actually just unhook it and pull it out for a bit of cleaning. But what I'm going to do today, as well as the drop links, we're going to see if we can get them to either clear the fault or do a recalibration and see what we are there. So we get to Unity, we'll do a little bit of a montage, maybe I'll see if I can speak to the lads. And we'll take it from there. I'm just going to wait. It's going to be about an hour, and then we will we'll see whether we've got the little rattle. I can't actually hear it at the moment, I have to say. It's really only on country roads at slow speeds that you hear it kind of rattling away at the back. But I'm a stickler for keeping my cars in tip-top condition. All cars give trouble. They give little niggly faults, issues. Cars are cars at the end of the day. I'm not going to slag it for being Italian. I know I've done that before, but it's done in jest, tongue-in-cheek. Bloody piece of Italian crap. If you're going to run a highly complex performance car, you've got to expect these things. And for the things that do go awry, I did another one about avoiding lemons, buying used cars, and how you can put warranties on them. from the RAC, just over the internet. For everything else that's not covered and I'm going to have to pay for, well, that's fair enough. But it's an RAC premium warranty, and hopefully it'll cover all the big issues, like engines and gearboxes and nasty stuff that costs many thousands of pounds. So let's get to the garage, we'll chat to the guys, and we'll take it from there. Always nice to see what cars they've got in there, especially when I'm hanging around for an hour or so. Well, that's it for the Alfa. New drop links are fitted. A software update that I wasn't expecting is installed. And they've reset the front splitter for the Active Aero, so hopefully that error will stay away. That in conjunction with the software update. So thanks again, guys, at Unity. Always a pleasure here. They did even offer to wash the car, but it's getting a little bit late in the day, and I just wanted to get off home. So that's why I'm sitting here dirty. As they say, I'm a driver, not a washer. Well, till the next time, all the best now. Bye-bye.